Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video we will see the new operation of SolidCAM automatic 3+2 roughing. In our earlier videos we've seen the automatic and semi-automatic method, whereas in this video we will see the manual method in which the planes are defined by the user, or the directions are defined by the user. So I'll select the manual method and I will add the direction. So my first direction is going to be the default Z direction. The next direction I'll add is going to be this direction, or normal to that plane. The next one will be normal to this plane. And you can see that as we capture the planes, the vectors are also captured. So select, and I'll add this plane, and one more. I'll select and I'll add this plane. So in total I have got 5 faces, or what we call as a 5-sided machining. The tool we are using is a 10 flattened mill, and in the passes we're going to take a step down of 1 millimeter, and the step over is going to be 40% of the tool diameter. We'll save this operation and calculate it. Now since the directions are automatically calculated, we don't need to the software doesn't need to do anything. It just calculates one direction, updates the stock, and then it goes to the next direction, calculates the region, and so on till it has finished all the regions. Let's run the simulation. Go into Solid Verify. Let's run the simulation quickly. That's direction 1, direction 2, direction 3, direction 4, and direction 5. So automatically you can see that the directions that were picked by the users are machined by SolidCAM's automatic 3+2 roughing. Thank you very much for watching this video.